If you want to know how to scan Spotify code, you are at the right place. We have got the best method to do it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: scan the Spotify code on an iOS and Android phones. You can find Spotify codes everywhere on billboards, in bus stations, and even on your friend's phone. Only mobile devices running Android and iOS can scan Spotify codes. PC apps and web browsers cannot do this. Using an Android or iOS device, scan a Spotify code. When the Spotify app opens, select the Search tab from the bottom toolbar. To access the search feature, tap inside the artist's, songs, or podcasts field. To open your camera, select the camera icon in the search bar. To scan a Spotify code, point your camera at it. Then you need to allow Spotify to take pictures and video records. Now point the camera towards the code. Your mobile Spotify app will immediately reroute you to the encoded content when it detects a Spotify code. And there you have it. The solution helps you to know how to scan a Spotify code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.